Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a quick video. How many of y'all have shutters on a house and over time they start to look like this and fade? All right, I'm gonna show you a trick how to bring this back, save you money. You don't have to buy new ones. All right, check this out. Here's what you need. You can either use propane, this is a MAP gas, with a torch. All right, stand by 1 second. We're gonna fire this baby up. Put this one hand in here. Watch this. Back over it a couple times, what have you, but you don't want to, you got to keep it moving so you don't want to burn it. And this is MAP gas, burns a little harder than propane, so you got to keep it moving a little bit more, but you get the idea. But you want to take a look, hit it again. There's the difference. Before, after. These shutters are about, crank this off. Shutters are about 4.5 years old. They started to fade and look like hell, but you can see the difference. So if you have black, maroon, green, what have you, little tip for you to save some money. I'd recommend taking it off the house, but if you're good with a torch, bring a bucket of water out there just in case. Keep them on there and let it fly. Hope this helps.